Welcome back to Creative Home Life. It's Amber as always, and this is going to be another fun review for an app that I found that I really enjoy that I wanted to let you guys know about. This one is called Sweatcoin, and it's kind of a new app. It's all about walking outdoors, getting your exercise when you're at the gym. So down in the comments, I'm going to give you the link to this app so you guys can go download it and let me know what you think about it. It's a really fun app, really simple to use. So all you do is you download it on your phone and it just tracks your steps like a pedometer does normally, and your phone already does that anyway, so this just has to run in the background like a background app, and it runs and it counts your steps and you earn Sweatcoin every day for all the steps that you take. So this is what I've earned so far this morning, just going out and getting the kids to school and everything like that. So if we go to, this is the Sweatcoin store basically. They give you options on stuff that you can buy, and every day you get to earn one free Sweatcoin. And if you click on that, it just drops down a window that you click on an ad, and it takes you somewhere, redirects you. You just close out of it, unless it's something you want to download. This is ancestry.com. I've already done this. So you just go ahead and close out of this and go back in your wallet, and you see that you've been given your daily bonus for the 15th of February. And this is where I'm at after, I believe I've had this app for 2 weeks now. I've given it a good try, and I wanted to let you guys know about it so you guys could jump on board too and see how great it is. Because in my opinion, even if it's not a lot of money, making any little extra is a big benefit. And if it's just an app running in the background, how can it get any simpler than that? So with your daily bonuses and everything like that, I'm at $49.68 right now, and you can cash out for prizes. They have different stuff for sale. Here's a yearly goal of stuff that you guys can shoot for. You can also combine these. So my husband, my kids, and me, we could use all of ours to get a new TV for free. I mean, who doesn't like that? So I'm gonna put the link down in the comment section for you guys to go download. It also lets you see your friends and how they're progressing every day, which is really cool. So here's the information also. So if you have the watch, like I have the Apple Watch, it also keeps track on there, and it lets you send after 2,000 steps. It will automatically update, but you can force send at any time to update your total. So again, this is Sweatcoin. If you guys have been using this, let me know what you guys think about it. If you haven't, again, the link will be down in the comments. Go ahead and download it, give it a try. Let me know what you think. So this has been another quick review by Creative Home Life. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. That way you don't miss the latest, and we'll see you on our next review.